Well, hi everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski as we begin our Friday. It is a quiet start to our morning, a couple of clouds here and there. We may even see a stray shower thunderstorm roll through today. Some activity down in Kansas will try to move northeastward here. So it's not out of the question a stray shower thunderstorm pop up, especially towards the mid to late afternoon hours there. I don't think we'll see widespread activity though. Really one of the bigger stories of the day today is going to be the winds out there. They're not bad right now, but notice by later today that wind, those arrows moving faster. Wind speeds are going to pick back up. Not as strong as what it was earlier this week. I don't remember what day that was. Was it Monday or Tuesday? But there was a really windy day earlier this week. Not quite that bad, but it will be noticeable later on today. Otherwise warm, but not as hot as what it was yesterday. Temperatures cooling down a little bit for today. Getting into tonight, then, we're going to take this kind of slow. I may even back up a little bit here. Slight chances of rain and thunderstorms will continue, but a better chance will be well to our northwest. You can kind of see it up there along a frontal boundary. There's actually going to be better chances of storms in the Dakotas. That's where I think the best chance of severe weather will be for our area. A slight chance of rain and thunderstorms. So if you have plans to head to an area football game, yeah, you might get wet, but you're more than likely going to stay dry out there. Later in the night, still a chance of rain and thunderstorms out there into tomorrow morning. Now, as we get towards tomorrow morning, a cold front will actually be making its way into the state. It'll be right about here. That frontal boundary will push southeastward during the day tomorrow very slowly, taking the winds and switching them direction-wise. So by tomorrow about noon, then it'll be right here. You can see those south and southwest winds ahead of it, more of a west-northwest wind behind it. So, and along that frontal boundary, there could be some isolated showers and storms. So there's a small chance during the day tomorrow. Later in the day, the chances will start to shift to the east. It all depends on how far southeast that front goes. That front will be right about here by the end of the day tomorrow. And that's where your better chance of rain and thunderstorms will be later on in the day. Now, here's one thing I will mention, though. During the evening hours, and I'm going to back this up a little bit here, most models, while yes, they have everything off to the southeast a little bit there is actually maybe still a chance around the Tri-Cities. It's not a great chance, but maybe about a 30% chance of rain and thunderstorms through the overnight hours and into early on Saturday morning. But jumping back to today, severe weather-wise, the best chance of severe weather is going to stay off to our northwest. There is just a slim chance in northwestern portions of the Local 4 viewing area. They're not great chances, though, but these areas have a small chance of some severe weather. As for tomorrow, and this is more so tomorrow evening, again, slight risk, southeast Nebraska, northeast Kansas, small chance in the green shade areas closer to the Tri-Cities area and just east and south of there. So I don't expect a lot of severe weather for Saturday, but hey, if there is some, I'll be working Saturday evening, trying to pay attention to it while still paying attention to the Husker game as well. Well, as we look at your forecast highs for today, lower to mid 80s for highs for most of us, maybe upper 80s there around Lincoln. These temperatures still above average, but a little cooler than yesterday. Tonight, still another mild night ahead of us, 50s out west, 60s for most of us, some low 70s in the east. And then tomorrow's temperatures, you can see the evidence of that cold front because it'll be cooler and cooler the farther west and northwest you go. Low and mid 80s in central and eastern Nebraska, northern Kansas, 70s to the northwest, maybe even upper 60s in far northwest Nebraska. And of course, Saturday, now not here in Nebraska, but out in Illinois. Nebraska, the Cornhuskers will be heading out to Champaign, Illinois to take on the Fighting Illini. It's a 7 p.m. kickoff just after sundown. Small chance of rain and thunderstorms both during the afternoon and evening. So if you're planning on heading east to the game, now you probably won't see rain during the game more than likely. It is a very small chance. But if you're, say you get up early on Saturday morning, you're driving all the way to Illinois for the game during the day Saturday. Some might do that. I know some of the media is. You may be driving through a lot of rain, though, because just west, on the west side of Illinois, there are actually flash flood watches that are out. Most of the rain is supposed to be stay west of Champaign during the day and into the night, but if you're driving on Saturday, you may drive through some heavier amounts of rainfall in spots. But I don't think the weather will be much of an issue for the game. 70s for temperatures during the game time. Small chance of rain and thunderstorms. Looking ahead to the second half of the weekend, Sunday looks beautiful. 70s for highs. Lots of sunshine returning behind that storm. Maybe an early shower thunderstorm in southeast Nebraska, but temperature-wise looking good. The winds won't be terribly strong on your Sunday. Let's look at that long-range forecast. We've kind of talked about the next 3 days, the gradual cool down through the weekend, slight chances of rain and thunderstorms the next couple of days, slightly better chances at night, especially late night. Looking beyond that, Monday morning a little cooler, 50s, which is still That's just above our average low this time of the year. First day of fall. Now, fall officially kicks off, I think, just after midnight Monday morning. So really most of the day Monday will be spent in the fall season. A little warmer, mostly sunny skies. A slight chance of rain and thunderstorms will return late Monday night into Tuesday, mainly Tuesday morning. Still staying on the slightly warmer side Tuesday, but then gradually cooling down Wednesday and into Thursday. Although Thursday is still a big question mark. I have less confidence in Thursday compared to the rest of this forecast here. And in fact, as we look at the long range here, trends are that will cool down a little bit towards the end of next week, but not completely cool down. But it's looking like right now, forecast models are all over the place towards those final few days of the month of September. And the reason why is it looks like we could be seeing setting up the end of September into early October for a big battleground here, basically between cooler Canadian air that's desperately trying to push southward and that warmer air that we've been seeing recently, still trying to hang on even into early fall here. And it looks like temperatures could kind of fluctuate back and forth from day to day. It's just going to be a battle here, and it's very tough to figure out what the forecast will be like, especially if we're looking at a large range in temperatures around the viewing area. So it's one of those deals where you have to kind of wait. So there will be cooler days, but there may still be some warmer days from time to time. It's just when. That's tough to predict right now. All right, with that, I'm going to let you all go. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. We'll see you all again I'll see you all again Saturday evening. I'll do one of these before the Husker football game, so if you're around, you can catch that online. Otherwise, I'll see you. If I don't see you over the weekend, I'll see you all again early next week on Monday morning. Take care. Enjoy your weekend. God bless, and go Big Red. Bye.